Hi, let's solve a new problem. In the figure below, ABEF is a rectangle. AD is perpendicular D. That means this angle 90 degree. F equals 7. That means this length will be 7. AB equal 1. AB equal 1. And AD will be 5. We need to find the area of triangle ABC. That means this smaller triangle area, we need to find that. Now, since AF equals 7, AB 1, AD 5, so if we see triangle ABC and triangle DCE, here angle VCA and angle DCE are vertical angle. So first we prove that triangle ABC and triangle DCE are similar triangle. So from triangle ABC and triangle CDE, we get our first condition, triangle BCA equal angle DCE. Because these two angles are vertical angle and vertical angle are congruent. So reason we can write that their vertical angle. Our next condition that since ABEF is a rectangle, that means angle B will be 90 and angle D already 90. So we can write that angle B equal angle D equal 90 degree. So we can use here angle similarity. We can say that triangle BCA and triangle DCE are similar. By angle similarity, we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle CDE. Now we assume BC equal X, AC equal Y. So BC equal X, AC equal Y. If BC X, that means C will be 7 minus X, since this side length, this line length will be equal. So if BC equal X, that means EC equal 7 minus X. Now we are assuming AC equal Y, that means CD will be 5 minus Y. Now we use here corresponding angle congruent theorem CPCT. Since these two triangle ABC and triangle CDE are similar, so we can use that CPCT, corresponding angles are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, so using CPCT we can see that the ratio of these sides BC over AC equal the ratio of this triangle DCE CD over EC. Now if you substitute the value, so BC equal X and AC equal Y equal CD, which is we got 5 minus Y over EC equal 7 minus X. Now we just cross multiply that. So X times 7 minus X equal Y times 5 minus Y. Now we use distributive law, just multiply that. X times 7, which is 7x, minus x times x, we got x squared, equal y times 5, which is 5y, minus y times y will be y squared. So we can write then this equation 7x plus this negative y square. If you turn into left side, it will be positive y square minus x square. We write in parentheses equivalent to 5y. This is our first equation. So if we use here in triangle ABC, we can say that by Pythagorean theorem, since this angle is 90, that means AC will be hypotenuse. So from triangle ABC by Pythagorean theorem, we can say that y square equal x square plus 1 square is 1. So from this equation, we can say that if we switch x square left side, so we can write that y square minus x square equal 1. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, instead of this y square minus x square, if you write 1, so we got them 7x plus 1 equal 5y. Now if you divide 5 both sides, so this 5 cancel, we got y equal 7x plus 1 over 5. Now this y we're plugging into the equation, into our second equation. So we can write that y square means 7x plus 1 over 5 power of 2. Y square equal x square plus 1. We're plugging y equal 7x plus 1 over 5 into this equation, y square equal x square plus 1. Now, if we simplify this equation, we got a quadratic equation. So 7x plus 1 power of 2 over 25 equal x square plus 1. Now if you cross multiply, so we got 7x plus 1 square equal 25 x square plus 1. Now 7x plus 1 square, if we use algebraic identity, which is a plus b power of 2 equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write that 7x power of 2 plus 2 times 7x times 1 plus 1 square equal. Now this 25, if you multiply with x square, we got 25x square plus 25 times 1, we got 25. So if you simplify this left side, we got 49x square plus 14x plus 1 equal 25x square plus 25. Now we are simplifying. Now we are converting them into a quadratic equation. So this positive 25x square, if you switch in left side, and positive 25 if we switch on left side, so we got 49x square minus 25x square plus 14x plus 1 minus 25 equal 0. Now 49, if you subtract with negative 25, we got 5 to 9 is 4, and 4 minus 2 will be 24x squared, positive 14x. 1 negative 25, we are getting negative 24 equal 0. Now if we divide 2 both sides, that means we are simplifying this equation. We got this quadratic equation 12x squared plus 7x minus 12 equal 0. Now if we use quadratic formula to solve value of x, we use quadratic formula, which is x equal minus b minus 7 plus minus square root of b square means 7 square minus 4 times a is 12 and c is minus 12 over 2 times 12. Now if we simplify this, we got negative 7 plus minus the square root of 7 square is 49, and 12 times 12 will be 144, and 144 if you multiply with 4, so 144 times 4, which is 16, 1 carry 16 plus 1 17, and 1 we got 576. Now 49 and 576, if you're adding 6 plus 9 25, 2 carry 11, 6 plus 9 15, 1 carry 11 plus 1 2, and 5 plus 1 6. So we are getting here 625 over 24. Now a square root of 625 equal 25, we know. So minus 7 plus minus 25 over 24. That means we can take x value, which is minus 7 plus 25 over 24. We are taking here positive value since x is positive. So 25 minus 7, 25 minus 7 equal 18 over 24. If we divide with 6, both numerator and denominator, we got 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. So you're getting 3 over 4. So that means we got value of x equal 3 over 4. Now since we need to find the area of triangle ABC, that means, so we can write here area of triangle ABC. We know the area formula 1/2 times base times height. So we can write that 1/2 times. Our base is already we assuming x, and height is already given that, which is 1. So 1/2 times x times 1. That means x we already got 3 by 4. 1/2 times 3 by 4 times 1. That's equivalent to 3 over 8. That's it. So 3 over 8, which is option A. That's our final answer. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Give me a support. Thank you so much.